In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth, color-filled text animation inside DaVinci Resolve. First, open the Effects panel, go to Titles, and drag a Text Plus onto your timeline. Select it, then in the inspector, customize your text with the font, size, and layout you prefer. Next, go to the Shading tab. For Element 1, uncheck the Enable box to remove the solid fill. Switch to Element 2, enable it, and set the Paint mode to Outline. Expand the blending options, change the Apply mode to Transparent, and choose the color you want for your outline. Now duplicate this text by holding the Alt key, then dragging it above the original. Select the duplicate, return to the Shading tab, and for Element 1, enable the solid fill again. Set the color you want for the fill. Go to the Settings tab, expand cropping, and click the keyframe icon next to Right Crop. Increase the right crop value until the text is completely hidden. Move the playhead forward a couple of seconds, then decrease the right crop value back to 0 so the text fills in from left to right. You can adjust the keyframe positions to control the speed of the fill animation, and you now have a clean, animated color fill effect for your text.